be unboxing the K9 wireless microphone. This right here. I got it from Jumia, Nigeria. I got it from their website. I bought it for 11,000 and something. I'll probably put the actual price so I bought. Yes, I already charged the microphone over the night. Here's how it looks inside. This right here. This is the receiver, which I would have to connect to my phone. It comes with two microphones. They are also known as the transmitters. I think these are the connectors in case you want to connect to, let's say, an iPhone and the receiver doesn't fit in. Therefore, you can just connect it to the receiver, then connect it to your iPhone. There's also a connector for Android phones, so I'll connect it here. The charger, it comes with a charger, which I already used to charge the microphones. So here's the charger. Let's say we want to charge one of the mics. In that case, all I have to do is to connect this part of the charger to the microphone, then connect this other part to the charger head. That way we can charge. I'm trying to see if I can find one around. Anyway, I'll probably put a picture somewhere up here. See, now I'm going to test the mic. To test the mic on my phone right now, which I'm using to record myself, I'm just going to connect the receiver to my phone. So once I put it in, it's going to show a red light here. That's how you know it's connected. Alright, so I'm using an iPhone. I'm going to use this connector, which is the type for my phone. Put it in. Yes, afterwards I'll connect it to the phone. Then the green light appears. My voice should be louder now. I'll keep it in. Yes, I'm sure my voice sounds clearer and louder. This sounds better than when I spoke without the mic. It has this noise cancellation effect. I love it. It's worth it. I should definitely drop a review on Jumia about it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video if you loved it. Thank you.